Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. Now before we get started, you will need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool, and this SIM comes provided with the device in the box somewhere between paperwork, so you can get it from there. You could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you have one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone next to the charging port. As you will see, you have two kind of like holes in the device. So the one closer to the charging port is a microphone. So that's not the one that you want to poke. The one that you want to poke is the one that is part of the actual like tray. So pop it in here, push the pin in, and as you can see, the tray should pop out just a tiny bit, enough for you to take out. And on here you have space for a SIM card on either side of the tray. It doesn't really matter which side you use both of them if you want to, if you're planning to use two cards, but I'm using only one. So I'm just going to place one here, and now I can insert it back into the device. The card should be working immediately, as it is for me. As you can see, enter a SIM pin. So I'm going to confirm my SIM card pin, and there we go. That's it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.